এই মুহূর্তে আমাদের কাছে থেকে শিক্ষার্থীদের কাছে বক্তব্য রাখবেন দ্বিতীয় শ্রেণীর শিক্ষার্থী নুসরাত জাহান। নুসরাত জাহানকে তার বক্তব্য রাখার জন্য অনুরোধ করছি।
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. At the outset of my speech, firstly I introduce myself. I am Nusrat. I am grade 2. Now I am giving a farewell speech. At the beginning of my speech, I would like to extend my greeting and best wishes to the Honorable President of today's program, the chief guest, special guest, and my respectable teacher, and all the siblings of Kovinodon Modern School. At first, take my cordial love and salam. Assalamu alaikum. You know, today is a very special day for all of us. We are here to give farewell to our class 5 brothers and sisters. I feel very happy to speak on this stage, but I am also a little sad because you are leaving our school. Dear seniors, you are always kind to us. You help us in the classroom, in the playground, and in every program. You taught us how to behave, how to study, and how to love our school. But it is a matter of sure that you are going to a new school for class 6. This is a big step in your life. We all pray that your next journey will be full of success and happiness. May Allah bless you with a bright future. Dear brothers and sisters, you will miss your smile faces. You will miss your lightness. Thanks to all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
করতালি
ধন্যবাদ নুসরাতকে।